She was the maid of honor at the wedding. She gave a toast that made everyone cry. And the whole time, she was sleeping with the groom. For 2 years. Naomi and Claire had been best friends since they were 19. They'd done everything together. Shared apartments, shared heartbreaks, shared everything. When Naomi met David at 28, she called Claire first. When David proposed, Claire was the one who cried the hardest. She was maid of honor. Of course she was. For 18 months, Claire helped plan every detail of Naomi's wedding. Every single detail. And she did it with a smile on her face the entire time. The wedding was perfect. Right up until the moment Naomi found the messages. 26 months before the engagement, during the engagement, 3 days before the wedding, Naomi sat on the cold tile floor of the honeymoon suite for 4 hours. David was asleep in the next room. He had no idea she knew. Here's what Naomi did not do. She did not scream. She did not wake him. She did not call Claire. She opened her notes app and started writing. What nobody knew about Naomi, what even David didn't fully appreciate, was that she was a contracts attorney. She spent her days finding loopholes, protecting assets, and building airtight cases. The prenup David had signed 3 months before the wedding contained a fidelity clause. Standard language. Something David's own lawyer had glossed over. Something Naomi had written herself. Infidelity prior to or during the marriage would result in full forfeiture of any shared assets accumulated during the relationship. David had moved into Naomi's apartment 18 months ago. Her apartment, her name on the lease, her furniture, her savings funding their joint account. He had brought almost nothing, and he had signed away his right to any of it. Naomi did not confront David over breakfast. She asked him how he slept. She smiled when he kissed her cheek. 7 days after the wedding, Naomi filed for annulment, not divorce, annulment, on the grounds of fraud. She submitted the messages as evidence, all 26 months of them. The annulment was granted in 11 days, one of the fastest on record in the state. Read the filing. No explanation, no drama, just facts. But Naomi wasn't done. She sent a formal letter to David's employer, a financial services firm with a strict code of conduct, attaching the same evidence, not to get him fired, just to make sure the right people knew exactly who they were dealing with. 3 weeks after the annulment, Naomi got a message from a woman named Sophia. Sophia had been dating David before Naomi. He had done the same thing to her. Together, they built a civil case. Emotional damages, financial fraud, breach of trust. David settled out of court in 4 months. Claire never apologized. David never explained himself. Neither of them needed to, because Naomi didn't need their words. She had their signatures. The wedding gift. The gift wasn't the toast. It wasn't the veil. It wasn't even the settlement. It was the prenup.